Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you 5 ways on how to get paid to eat yummy food for free. So this is definitely a fun way for you to make some extra cash. So let's get started right now. Alright guys, before we get started, I just want to let you know that below this video, there is going to be a link in the video description that's going to make you a lot more money because you're going to be actually learning about an internet online business model that makes you passive online income. And if you want to actually build a full-time online income, that is the way to go. So you can either click it up here or check it out in the video description below, okay? So it's going to pay a lot more than what you're going to see today. I just want to mention that. All right, so in order for you guys to get paid to eat, what are you going to need? You're going to actually need to be a mystery shopper. So that is how you're going to get into restaurants and eat for free, because these companies will actually pay you to go visit their restaurant and make sure everything is according to plan. So I'm going to show you 5 different mystery shopping places where you can go sign up and see if you could get one of these awesome fun jobs to do. And so let me show you right now the first site. All right, it's called Secret Shopper at secretshopper.com. Now, for all of these 5 sites, they are 18 and up. Just so I mention it now so that anyone watching who is not 18 cannot be joining any of these opportunities, unfortunately, okay? So what are you going to do with Secret Shopper? Is a mystery shopping company. So they specialize in this, and any brands and company that want to hire secret shoppers to make sure their stores or their restaurants or whatever their businesses are running the way they should, they come to companies like Secret Shopper or any of these 5 that I'm going to show you, okay? So what you are going to be doing and what your service is going to be providing is that you're going to actually go shopping in a store or go visit a restaurant to look at their service. Well, this video is talking about how to get paid to eat. So I'm going to show you how you can sign up for. So you can click on shoppers here, and there are 3 things that we can look at. We'll look at the sign up page first. So if you want to sign up right away, you would just do that. Just go to shoppers and click here, sign up. You get to this page. We have secret shopping, mystery shopping, merchandising, and on-site evaluation opportunities throughout the globe in Africa, the Americas, Asia, Europe, and Middle East, and Oceania. Join the millions of shoppers, merchandisers, and evaluators that have registered at our website and been trained over the years, performing millions of evaluations across the planet. If you are a reliable, articulate, observant person, we invite you to register with Secret Shopper by signing up now. And then, so you can go through this process and sign up. And so you could, look, this is worldwide, guys. So this is a good one to join. So if we go to the FAQ page here, we can learn more about them. So previous experience is not required. They're looking for someone that's reliable, detailed, oriented shoppers. You need computer access because you're going to be required to submit all your shop reports online. And then you also need access to either a digital camera or a scanner so that you can submit the reports. Submit the required proof of shop, which is typically a receipt or business card. So all assignments are due by the next day by noon Central Time, and the minimum age is 18. Yes, so this one here is telling you that you are not going to be an employee. You're just going to be signing up as a contractor, basically, and they pay you for a fee when you finish the job. Do I have to pay any fees to become a shopper? So this is a big one, okay? I just want to mention this. Any mystery shopping company that makes you pay to sign up, run away, because you don't have to pay to sign up for these sites. If you have to pay to sign up for these sites, be very careful because it's usually a scam, okay? So for Secret Shopper, you do not have to pay to sign up, so this is legit. So how much do you pay? So they range from anywhere from 15 to 25. For some shops, such as restaurants, the payment may be to pay you for the cost of a meal or for 2. So there you go. So you could either get paid 15 to 25 or a whole cost of meal for 2 people. The payment information for each unique situation is explained, of course. So of course each gig is going to be different. So you just got to take a look at what it is. So you're going to be paid every 2 weeks, I believe. So this is some payment options. So if you're in US, Canada, PRI. When do you pay domestic shoppers? So it's the 20th of each month. So you only get paid monthly for this. So just be careful. And so, but if you're international shoppers, you get to get paid PayPal. I wish they would just allow that for everybody. I mean, that's gonna be easier. But so that's with this secret shopper. Now the next one is going to be Market Force at marketforce.com. So this is a market research company, and one of the things that they do is mystery shopping up here, okay? So if you wanted a mystery shop with these guys, you would just come down to the bottom and click here, mystery shoppers. Become a mystery shopper, help businesses improve their customers' experience. It's free to sign up, it pays, it's important. As a Market Force mystery shopper, you'll get paid to eat and shop for free at your favorite brands. Mystery shoppers make an impact on their local communities by helping stores, restaurants, and banks become better places for consumers like you to visit. Mystery shopping drives real improvement for future customers in areas such as customer service, product selection, and cleanliness. So they have a very good rating on Better Business Bureau. So this is a good one to try to sign up for. I would suggest you sign up for all 5 of these, really, so that you get more chances of getting the gigs in your area. Okay, the third one is called Bestmark at bestmark.com. This is one of the oldest ones that has a lot of mystery shopping engagements here. So you might want to definitely sign up with Bestmark. Here, up here on the right here, you could just look for how to apply to become a mystery shopper, okay? Let's look at the FAQs. So how do I qualify to become one of the field reps? So the field rep is what they call all of these things that you do on the field, okay? So you need to be 18 years old here as well, as I was saying earlier. And so you just need to be detail-oriented, dedicated to honoring commitments, and able to follow detailed instructions, write fact-based reports, and meet deadlines. So that's the requirement. How much do you get paid? This one doesn't say, but I did find in my research on the internet that this pays about $7 to $20 an hour for this. So it just depends on the gig and what gig you're going to get. Again, this is not a job. It's not an employee-employer relationship. It is just a contractor. So you're just going to be a contractor for them who does these little gigs. How and when do you get paid? So payments are processed twice a month, and you're going to get paid through PayPal, direct deposit, or gift card. Okay, so you can read the rest of the FAQs for this one. And then this other one, the fourth one I'm going to show you here, is called discussresearch.com. And what they do here is about the same thing. So you can earn extra cash here. So for just a few hours, it's not a few hours, I'll show you how long it takes, of your time giving your feedback to companies and organizations, you can receive between $75 and $250 per session, guys. So that's a pretty good chunk of change right there, okay? It's 3 easy steps. You're just gonna sign up, complete a short form, then you're gonna take an hour or 2 out of your day to share your opinions with their team in person or online, and then you're just gonna get paid $75 to $250 per session. Focus groups usually take place during weekday evenings, and we will only invite you to participate in locations that are convenient for you to get to. So that's the form that you gotta fill out, which is pretty easy. Now, under how it works tab, this is saying it's only gonna take 60 to 90 minutes, okay, to gain the $75 to $250 cash amount. So here you can do focus groups, online focus groups, tests and product tests, and mystery shopping. So this is where you can go and get free food if you want to do this mystery shopping for restaurants. You'll be paid for letting us join you on a shopping trip. We've found that going shopping with our members is an excellent way to help companies understand how you choose the products you buy. And then they have other things, face-to-face interview and telephone interviews, okay? So some quick FAQs is that how do I join? You basically just fill out the first sign-up form and that's it. I mean, this one is very simple. and you're gonna get paid on average between again 75 to 250 for your time, and it would be paid cash upon completion of the study you attend. So you're gonna be paid cash. I'm not sure if it's direct deposit, PayPal, or what, but that's all it gives you. And how do you get the invitations for the focus groups or taste test invitations? The invitations will be sent via email, okay? So you need to make sure your email is provided in that sign-up form correctly. Or they may also call you, okay? So if they really want you, I guess they'll call you. All right, so the last one I want to show you here is called contract testing at contracttesting.com. Here you're going to be really concentrated in the food industry here, I think. So more than half of the top 10 food, beverage, and QSR leaders choose CTI for product testing. So this is a very good one to come to because that is what they specialize in about testing for food. So this is going to be in US and Canada, it looks like. So you come down to the bottom, it says become a tester. There's all these links for you to become a tester, or you could come up here and there's a link up here as well on the right corner, become a tester button. And here you just fill out the form. So if I click the become a tester, I come to this page and it says get paid to taste test. Cookies, soup, soft drinks, pretty much anything, fries. I mean, register as a tester and get paid for your opinion. Being a product tester is a great way to earn extra cash in exchange for a short amount of your time and your opinions on various food, beverage, household, and personal care products. A minimum of 20 to 25 per session is provided, but you could receive more depending on the type and length of the test. So how it works. So the first step is you're going to create a profile. Make sure your profile is very detailed and correct. And then you're going to get notified. So once you have created your profile, you're confirmed as a member in our database. You'll receive email notifications for when we are looking for someone in your area. Attend our test groups where you will be asked to taste, touch, smell, and or look at products and answer questions about them. So there's different types of tests and different types of food you can test. So this will be a fun one, guys, okay? How long are these sessions? They are lasting about an hour, so it's not that long at all for your time. So that is the 5 different sites where you can get paid to eat food, guys, okay? But obviously, these aren't going to be the best ways to consistently make money, and this is just a nice side hustle that you can kind of check out and play with. If you want to make a consistent real full-time online income, it's best to learn some online skills, and I'm going to show you how to do that in the second link in the video description below. So check that out because that's something that I use to make money online every single month consistently and passively. So go check it out. It's one of the best ways for you to make money online, and I love it. And I love this business model because it makes me a full-time online income. So I hope you would join me and check it out. All right, so if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't already, oh my god, why haven't you already? You must subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, guys. I come up with videos every week, but I have no idea when they come out, so get notified, okay? I'll see you on the next one. Bye.